Today, we're diving into something that's, well, it's more than buzzing. AI is genuinely changing how people earn online, like at incredible speed.
Oh, absolutely. Everyone seems to be looking for ways to actually use it, practically speaking, for income.
Right. And our source today is pretty interesting. It's a sales page for a product called ChatGPT 5 Mastery, Unlocking the AI Income Secrets with PLR.
PLR, okay.
Yeah. So our mission isn't just to unpack what this AI course teaches, but also to look at this unique business model they're packaging with it. It's designed for learning, sure, but also for reselling that learning.
That's a clever angle. The whole AI and online income space, it's not just growing, it's exploding, really. And this product taps right into that core demand. You know, people are frankly desperate to figure out how to use these tools like this supposed ChatGPT 5 to make money online.
Right.
But this offers a kind of shortcut, not just to earn with AI, but to become an AI teacher yourself almost instantly.
Yeah, tapping into both sides of the market, the learning and the teaching. Okay, so let's unpack this. We need to pull out the key bits about ChatGPT 5's income potential and this specific business strategy.
Right. It's not just the how-to of AI.
It's the how to sell the how-to. That's where it gets really interesting. Maybe a bit complex too, ethically speaking.
Could be.
Okay, so let's start with the core idea from the source. It paints this big picture. AI reshaping everything. Marketing, e-commerce, freelancing, even just getting your own work done faster.
Yeah, the whole productivity angle.
And right at the center, it puts ChatGPT 5, calls it the most powerful AI tool yet.
Okay, most powerful yet. For people tracking AI, that suggests maybe big leaps, not just small updates, like better reasoning, handling different types of input, maybe understanding way more context.
That seems to be the implication. Features that would genuinely open up new ways to make money, not just slightly better ways.
And it's interesting how they frame AI itself. It's not just a tech trend in their view.
No, they call it a global movement, creating billions in new income opportunities. That's quite a statement.
It is. And ChatGPT 5 is positioned right at the heart of it all, driving opportunities for, well, everyone, entrepreneurs, freelancers, creators. The message is clear. Get on board or get left behind, basically.
And they're definitely not subtle about the potential payoff. The promise is super direct. Turn ChatGPT 5 into a money-making machine.
Wow, okay. That's a hook. But it makes you ask, how? What are the actual steps or methods they're proposing to turn this AI into cash?
Right. That's the million-dollar question, isn't it? So that the big picture is AI gold rush, ChatGPT 5 is your pickaxe. But what about the actual course, the ChatGPT 5 Mastery? What's it supposed to teach you, the learner?
The sales page says it offers step-by-step, profit-focused AI strategies.
Okay, profit focus.
Yeah, the value proposition for someone taking the course is pretty straightforward. Save time and scale their business. Turn the AI into an income tool.
Makes sense.
But, you know, it also specifically says it's for complete beginners. Now, knowing how fast AI changes, how realistic is that? Taking a total newbie and making them an AI income engine master just with videos and a guide seems like there could still be some hurdles.
That's a really fair point. The course does seem pretty detailed in how it tries to address that.
Yeah.
There's a Premium 5 HD training video series
Okay.
that claims to show you how to make ChatGPT 5 this AI-powered income engine. So using it for automation, content, client stuff, growing your business, the works. And alongside that, a professionally written training guide. They say it's packed with practical steps. And it's not short, 119 pages over 12,000 words.
So substantial content, at least on paper.
Yeah. And looking at the modules, they cover a range. Starts with an introduction, setting the stage, talking income streams. Then the rise of AI-powered income, sort of the why now part.
Context, data.
Then the key features and advancements in ChatGPT 5, what's actually new, how to set it up right. That's critical for the most powerful yet claim. Then a big one, the art of prompting for profits. Getting into prompt engineering secrets, real examples. The difference between asking vaguely and asking in a way that gets you like a perfect sales email for a specific audience.
That's crucial. Prompting is everything with these tools.
For sure. And finally, ethical use of AI and future trends. So, being responsible, avoiding problems, looking ahead. Plus, the videos mention advanced prompt engineering techniques too.
Okay. And they keep hammering that no technical expertise needed point.
Yeah, repeatedly. It shows anyone how to turn it into a money-making tool. That's the core message for the learner, low barrier to entry.
And the methods are battle-tested. What does that usually mean in this context?
typically implies these aren't just theories, but strategies proven to actually generate income in the real world. Adds that layer of, reliability.
Gotcha. Practical tested methods.
Okay, so that's the course you learn from. But now, the big twist, this isn't just for learning, it's set up so you can sell it. That's the PLR part, private label rights.
Right, PLR. So the buyer gets the rights to what exactly?
To rebrand, customize, and keep 100% of the profits. That's the quote. So you buy it, put your name on it, sell it as your own course.
Wow. Okay, connecting that back.
Wow.
It's pitched as a ready-made solution then, to instantly become an AI authority.
Pretty much, without doing the hard work of creating a course yourself.
Which, as they point out, could cost thousands, right? They mentioned like $4,000 to $6,000 to create something similar.
Exactly, and they offer this whole package for $11.95.
$11.95. That's a pretty stark contrast. It almost feels like it democratizes becoming an online course creator, doesn't it?
It certainly lowers the financial barrier dramatically, and the steps they outline for using the PLR are ridiculously simple. Step 1, download. Step 2, replace their name with yours.
Okay.
Step 3, upload it. Step 4, sell and keep the money.
Just like that. 4 steps to launching an AI course business.
That's the promise. Condensing maybe months of work into, potentially hours, depending on your setup.
And this done-for-you package, it sounds like it includes more than just the course content itself.
Yeah, way more. They really lean into done for you. It's designed to remove basically all the friction.
Okay, break that down. What kind of assets are we talking about?
All right, first, the core training content. You get the HD videos, that big training guide.
119 pager.
Yeah, plus audio versions, the raw video files with editable scripts, and even PowerPoint slides.
Editable scripts. Okay, that's quite flexible. It means you could re-record or customize heavily.
Exactly. But then there's the whole marketing and sales kit. This is where it gets wild. You get pre-written, high-converting sales copy, a sales video, like those doodle-style ones you see.
Oh, yeah, the animated whiteboard ones. Engaging.
Right. Professional graphics, PSDs, PNGs, animated web banners, pre-written email sequences, they call them swipes.
To help you sell via email. Okay.
Ready to go mini sites, basically sales pages.
Yeah.
Even the legal pages, privacy policy, disclaimers, terms and conditions.
Wow, they really thought of almost everything to get someone selling quickly. Social media graphics, too.
Yep, social media graphics, PDF graphics, chapter images for the guide. It's comprehensive, doesn't quite cover it. It's a full stack.
Minimizing setup time seems to be the absolute goal there.
Totally. And then on top of all that, 3 bonuses for the person who buys your rebranded course: a cheat sheet, a mind map, and a resources report. Adds extra value.
So this whole collection of stuff, it really pushes that complete ready-to-launch solution idea.
Absolutely.
Save time, save effort, position yourself as an expert in this, booming AI niche almost overnight. It's trying to take away all the usual hurdles.
So for you, the person thinking about buying this PLR package, what does it all mean? How does the source say you can actually make money with it, besides just, selling the main course?
Well, they list quite a few ways, actually, showing its versatility.
Okay, like what?
Like, you could combine it with your other products to make a bigger bundle, add value.
Smart, like an upsell or a package deal.
Exactly. Or offer it as a bonus with something else you sell. Boost conversions on your main thing.
Yeah, a bonus always helps.
You could use it in your video content or webinars, like pull out sections for topics.
Repurpose the content.
Right. Or share it with your affiliates to help them promote your stuff better. Give them a tool.
Okay, leverage your network.
You could even break it down, transform the content into multiple ebooks on different AI angles.
Slice and dice it for different markets.
Yeah, or add it to your paid membership site, ongoing value for subscribers.
Good for retention.
And of course, the main thing. Rename, rebrand, personalize it, make it fully yours, build your own brand on top of it.
So lots of different angles beyond just a straight resale. It's presented as very flexible.
Definitely. And they stress the niche itself is solid. They call it timeless and always in demand.
Timeless might be a stretch for AI, but definitely high demand now.
Fair point.
Yeah.
But their argument is AI and automation aren't going away. They also say it's rapidly expanding as everyone scrambles to learn about AI for profit.
That seems accurate.
And it's fueled by this global audience interested in AI, productivity, and financial freedom. That's a powerful mix driving demand.
That combo definitely resonates with a lot of people online. So who do they say this package is actually for? Who's the ideal buyer?
They cast a pretty wide net, says it's perfect for any audience, freelancers, business owners, marketers, even total beginners.
Okay, broad appeal.
But they also specifically mention coaches, entrepreneurs, content creators, basically anyone who wants to teach or profit from the AI wave.
Makes sense. Anyone wanting to tap into that education market.
And the key selling point tying it all together is that value proposition. No technical expertise or product creation required.
Right, back to lowering that barrier,
Yeah.
making it accessible.
Yeah, it's positioned as democratizing the chance to get into this hot market. Plus, they offer a 30-day, 100% money-back guarantee.
So minimal risk for the buyer to try it out.
Exactly. Removes that financial hesitation.
And they use testimonials, right, to add credibility.
They do. Names like Sophia R., an e-commerce strategist, Daniel M., a digital marketing consultant, Lucas K., a freelance copywriter.
Okay, specific roles.
Yeah, and they're quoted saying things about the clarity, the practical value, how it helped them make money. Sophia apparently saw growth I never thought was possible. Daniel called it a total game changer. Standard social proof stuff to build trust.
Gotcha. Bolstering the claims with user stories.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's wrap this up. This deep dive looked at a product that does two things. Teaches about using ChatGPT 5 for income.
Right, the learning part.
And also gives you a ready-made business to sell that same knowledge using PLR.
A dual purpose, yeah. Hitting both the desire to learn the skill and the desire to capitalize on the trend by teaching it.
It really does raise a big question, doesn't it? What happens to the digital economy when the materials to teach a really hot skill, like AI mastery, are just available off the shelf as a business in a box?
Yeah, it's a fundamental shift. Does it level the playing field for new entrepreneurs? Does it make it easier for anyone to jump in?
That's the provocative thought for you, our listeners. In this super fast AI world, what does the availability of done-for-you content like this PLR package really mean? Does it democratize opportunity? Or does it maybe create new problems, like making it harder to stand out when everyone can potentially sell the same base content?
Something to definitely think about as the digital landscape keeps changing.
Absolutely.